In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack communities in just 5 minutes. Slack is a powerful communication tool used by everyone from large companies to small teams, and joining the right communities can greatly enhance your networking and productivity. Let's get started with the process. First, to access Slack, you should begin by navigating to their official website. Once you're there, you'll find a range of productivity tools that Slack offers. Next, look for the Sign in with Google option. This is a quick way to access your Slack account provided you have it linked to your Google account, which most people find incredibly convenient. After signing in successfully, you will be taken to your Slack dashboard. This area serves as the hub for all your Slack interactions. Familiarize yourself with the layout as it is where you'll manage your communities. Now, over on the left hand side of your dashboard, you'll find your profile. Click on it to access your personal Slack settings. This step is key to tailoring your Slack experience to fit your needs and ensuring you have everything set up properly before you start joining new communities. Once you're in your profile section, the next step is to click on Account Profile. Doing so allows you to verify your details and ensure everything is correct. Having accurate information is important when connecting with new teams or communities, as it ensures smooth communication. Then go ahead and click on Account Settings. The Settings tab offers various options to adjust and customize your experience, ensuring you have control over notifications and the general appearance of Slack. Setting things up the way you like will greatly enhance your overall experience. After checking your account settings, navigate to the account and profile section again to double check all your details. It's wise to make sure everything is in order, particularly your email and display name, as these are the first pieces of information others see. Next, proceed to the administration area. This section is typically available if you have admin privileges or if you own your own Slack workspace. Here you can find deeper settings for managing the spaces you control or participate in. Finally, you'll want to click on Slack Connect Connections. This powerful feature allows you to join external communities or collaborate with other organizations directly through Slack. It connects different workspaces, making it easier than ever to share channels or messages with other teams. An excellent way to expand your professional reach. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps will help you join Slack communities efficiently and effectively. By participating in these communities, you gain access to a wealth of knowledge, collaboration opportunities, and professional networking. Enjoy exploring what Slack has to offer.